So now, again, we're going to do another test to see if using these two products, which was the Afro G Step 2 treatment and the hair mask clay, which is also a facial mask as well. Just going to comb through the hair. So I did wash my hair with lukewarm water, and then I went in with some shampoo. I think it was the Cream of Nature purple looking substance shampoo. I love that shampoo. Even though it's for natural hair, child, I love it. I love natural hair products. Alright. So comb my hair all out. And then see. That's how much shedding came out. Welcome to series part 2 of my relaxed hair treatment journey. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and trim my hair. So I'm going to basically show you how you can trim your hair at home on your own if you choose not to go to the salon. Alright, so I am 1 year post relax. I literally just reduced my shedding significantly. Went too much because, girl, you know. Alright, so as you guys can see that I have a cut. Now, I do cut my own hair. Like, I literally like shave this hair, or I'll trim it, whatever. I do that on my own. So because I just did a protein treatment, I noticed that I did have some split ends when I was curling my hair earlier this week. So I just want to go ahead and trim that up. So I'm just basically showing you that you can trim your own hair, but if you prefer to go to a professional stylist, a licensed stylist, then you can do so. You don't have to trim it at home. But if you're trying to save money, or you just don't really care about your hair like that, you know, then I'm your girl. I'm gonna just show you how I trim my hair. So naturally my hair is short in the front, no matter what. It doesn't even matter, it's just short. Now again, I am just trimming, I am not cutting. I have videos about me cutting my hair, so I just want you, let me turn y'all up closer. So I just want to trim my hair and make sure I get it even. I have been doing protective styles, so it's time for a little trim. Let me break that down just a little bit. So as you guys, y'all can see that, right? I hope y'all can see that. Alright, so that needs to go. So I'm going to bring some of that other hair up. And for some reason my hair likes to grow uneven. I don't know why one side is always longer than the other, but it is. One side is always longer than the other. This side is always longer than this side. I don't know why it grows like that, but it does. Alright, so boom. And I'm just using some shears that I got from my beauty supply store, okay? Good Lord, my arms are hurting. Sides out like this right here. I like to let this grow out more, but because I did have braids, I did shave all my hair off. So I shaved it off about a month ago, and look, I'm already have a lot of hair growing back. So my hair really does grow fast. Alright, so please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Gorgeous.